Hey, I'm Manus Henry with MachMotion. We're getting in for a demo. This is our 2000 Series Control, 21-inch touch screen. You have a graphical display here. You can see that. You have a DRO section. You can see your tool path. You can see where your axes are. You can see your feed rate, your spindle speed, all that jazz. Right here in the middle section, we have on the far right is our customizable dashboard. That's going to look different on every control because that's really how we're going to customize this thing to streamline your production process. Whatever your operator needs, we can bring that to the front screen right here on the customizable dashboard. To load a file, to run a file, we've made it easy. A couple of touches, you're right there. It's a 21-inch touchscreen, but I will use the keyboard and mouse. Loading a file, simple as pressing the load button. We can also do that with our barcode scanner we have here. The barcode, you can scan the barcode, load the file, and then either way, either loading or barcode scanning, we're ready to hit the cycle start button and you're off the races. You can see a few things on the graphical display. Our green lines are your feed rate moves, your red lines are your rapid moves, and your orange crosshairs are where your machine is right now. We can see as we've moved through the G code, those green lines, red lines, they all turn to blue. Your machine's been there. Your yellow is your machine work envelope. Top view or ISO view, you can see where your machine is in real time. It's a G code running control. You can see the G code here. You can edit the G code on the control so you don't have to take it back to your CAD cam if you don't want to. That's a quick demo of the 2000 Series Control. We do have that second screen here that we talked just a second about. Any questions you have, feel free to reach out to us, 573-368-7399.